Hi, this is Dr. Bharadwaz. I am CEO and Chief Doctor at Fidicus Homeopathy. Today we will look into one of the important topics, that is HIV or AIDS. HIV is a disease that attacks your immune system. So basically in human being there are 5 types of immunity. These immunity are broadly divided into 2 categories. One is innate immunity and acquired immunity. So innate immunity in the sense you are born with this kind of immunity. Acquired immunity means over a period of time, when you grow, when you expose to different pathogens, you will get that immunity. So basically immunity is categorized into innate immunity and acquired immunity. Again, innate immunity is of 3 types. First one is barrier immunity. Barrier immunity is like your skin, your mucous membrane, which protects you from getting the pathogens into your body. The next one is cellular immunity. This cellular immunity also helps in protecting your body. Next one is complementary system. It is a special type of immune system which is present in your body. All these comes under innate immunity. And coming to acquired immunity, there are 2 types. One is humoral immunity, next one is cell mediated immunity. Humoral immunity takes care when the pathogen is in your blood. Once the pathogen enters into your cell or human cell, the cell mediated immunity will be attacking it and killing it. So HIV is the most powerful virus which will attack the best of your immunity. See, out of all these immunity, cell mediated immunity is the top immunity. It is the best immunity a human being can have. What this HIV virus is going to do is, it is going to kill the immunity that is the best immunity, that is cell mediated immunity, or acquired cell mediated immunity is hampered when you have HIV. Because of this, we will be landing into other disorders, other infections. These we call as opportunistic infections. So HIV will reduce your immunity. When the immunity is reduced, you get other diseases, other serious complications, and this will kill a person. That's what HIV is going to do in your body.
Fidicus Homeopathy.